Hello friends, in this video, I am going to let you know how to install Chrome extensions on Opera GX, so let's get started. First of all, simply open up the Opera application on your laptop. This is the home page. Simply click over the sidebar setup at the bottom of the page, then from the sidebar menu scroll down and click over the extensions. The extensions page will appear here. Now click over to get more extensions from here. This type of page will appear here. Now from the search bar, search for Chrome here. You can see these are two extensions available. I am going to click over this one. Now from here, click over Add to Opera. It will take a few moments to open it properly. This type of page will appear here. You just scroll down and have a look at it. Once you are done with it, just go back to the extensions. You can see your extension is added here. So that is all about how you can install Chrome extensions in Opera. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.